In this video we're going to show how to create vectors and matrices and works with perform simple operation in R, and all those tutorial videos are going to be available in a playlist. So let's start, and it's really simple and it's really easy and very straightforward. So we do x like the arrow sign 11, so now x is equal to 11. Okay, or we could even define y is equal to a matrix. Matrix, we always have to put the letter C. So 1, 3, 5, for example, 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9, and we've got y. And as we said before, when we do objects, so now we have two variable x and y, as simple as that. Okay, or even we could define vector of character elements. So for example, gender, okay, is a arrow sign and then C again, so we put character element between quotation, so it will be male and female. And so we have gender is male and female, we have x, we have y, and the object as well, it's all three of them. Okay, or even we could define a sequence like s is equal to always the arrow sign sequence from 1 comma 2 equal to 7, and then by equal to 1, which is, I will tell you how does it work. So this is the increment. For example, if we go back and we do this as 0.5, so we do the s, so it will increase by 0.5. so this is the increment starting from 1 ending at 7. Okay, so as well as you could saying, for example, we have x equal 11 and y equal 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9. So let's clear the screen. So y equal 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9. Let's define x, and u1 is equal to c1, 2, and 3. So we have x equal 1, 2, 3. If we're gonna say y is equal to repeat the value, so times equal to 10, just show it to you how does it work. So y it will 1 10 times. Okay, and the same if y is equal repeat as character element, but between quotation, repeat this word between quotation, and times is equal to 15. So y will be equal to repeat this word 15 times. Okay, and as well as if y is equal to repeat 1, 3. It's very straightforward and it's like really easy. So it will be like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 all the time. Okay, so and you could select y is equal repeat y is equal repeat for example sequence from equal to 2 2 equal to 5 by equal to 0.5. so this is, here is a sequence. Okay, and so times 5 times, so y, I think it is this error. So y it will be 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5 all the way to 5, and then 2, 2.5, 3, all the way to 5 again. Okay, so we have x equal 1 to 3. So if we have x equal to 3, so x, if we need to extract a value, so you just put it between solid brackets. Okay, if you put minus 2, so in a way extract all the element apart from this one if you put the value. Okay, so let's now, if we need to just delete, if you want to delete all variables, so what you have to do is rem list is equal to lc, and now objects, as you see in a second, is equal to 0. So there is none in it, no value whatsoever in the value. If you define a matrix, so x is equal to matrix C. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so number of rows equal to 3. So otherwise you don't know how many rows, any columns. So if it is equal to 3, so we have it's gonna be like 3 by 3. If you say by row is equal, I'll show you both how does it work. So if we say true and it is capital case sensitive, so x is equal not defined value of x, so it's matrix. Okay, so x is equal, so you've done it by row, so you did 1 to 3 as like we have 3 rows because like 9 values, so it must obligatory to be 3 by 3. Okay, if we do here, if we put here false, okay, and we do x and it is case sensitive, so you could see 1 to 3, you could see here 1 to 3, and now it is by column or by row equal false, so by default by column. Okay, so this is x. If we say x 1 2 is equal to 4, which is correct, it's like the first row second column. Okay, if we say x, okay, is when we say c, which is like we want value of it, as we could see before, so it's like a matrix, so it's 1 3. Okay, if we leave it blank, so just in a way we just like put all the values we have. So here what I'm saying, we want the first row and the third row, and put all the columns we have, so it's the first row and the third row. Okay, so and if we do x empty and column 1, so put all the values we have like here in the first column. So this is the first lesson about matrices and vectors, and we did a little bit of simple operation. So we're gonna do in the next videos, so please check the playlist, and in case you have any question, please let me know.